Good morning, Shagam second grade readers. Today is Wednesday, May 20th, and I just found out that there are some technical difficulties with my first video. So I'm very quickly going to re-record this for you, even though I think the first part of the video worked. I think the story is what's not working. But just in case you're still having technical difficulties, let's go over today's lesson, which is point of view. So to talk about point of view means what a specific character is feeling or thinks. So if we take the story of the three little pigs, I want to know how that first little pig is, what they're thinking. What is the story like through their point of view? What do they think is going on? So that first little pig thinks that the wolf is trying to blow his house down and eat him. And then we want to prove from the text what the character is thinking or feeling. And in the story of the three little pigs, the wolf he huffs and he puffs and he blows the house down, and then he eats the first little pig. So today you're going to listen to the link for the story of the true story of the three little pigs. And I want you to think about the point of view from a totally different character. I want you to think about the big bad wolf today. And in the story, the true story of the three little pigs, it's told by a wolf, get it? And he's going to tell you his point of view of the story of the true story of the three little pigs. So he's going to tell you his version of what he thinks happens. So today, after you listen to that story, in here you're going to put the character of the wolf. You're going to tell us his point of view, and then give us evidence from the story that lets us know that he's thinking and feeling that way. Now again, as always, if you want to choose a different story, you can. If you want to choose a different character, you can. Totally up to you, okay? Have fun and enjoy, and I hope you love the true story of the three little pigs as much as I do. It's a great book. Bye, guys. Have a wonderful day.